Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the descriptions and we start our trading.
So guys, let's get started the trading session. We are gonna pick the currency pairs right away. I'm looking for the highest payout rate. We don't even look at the OTC currency pairs, so this is not the topic of the video. Well, basically I think these ones are gonna be fine, and let's pick several indicators. And today I'm gonna choose my favorite one. It's the Keltner channel, and as a supporting one I'd rather pick the fractal. So we are done with the indicators. I got almost $200 on the balance, and we are gonna make some good money as always, guys. And if you are new in trading, my experience is gonna help you, because the Keltner channel is one of the basic indicators, so it's very comfortable to use even for beginners. And basically during my trading you are gonna find out how to best open your position, and the fractal is gonna help us as well. These indicators show us the local highs and lows, so we are gonna take them into consideration. Well, let's get down to trading. Let's take a look, and probably we should set one more. Let's pick this one, and be sure to know the most important rule: you should never open a position if you are not 100% sure this way. You should skip it. So, and I'm gonna show you my strategy that will help you make some good money without taking risks. Let's pick a currency pair for that. Let's begin analyzing. So what do we got here? Well, small pullbacks, and let's open a short position. I think the trend has changed here. The price started going down. The price broke through the channel. Then a small pullback did happen right from this level, after which we are expecting to see the continuation of the downtrend. That's why we open a short position. There is nothing complicated. Default situation, have a look. We saw the price broke through the channel, so you should wait for the green candle for a small pullback and then open in the direction of the trend. No big deal, guys. There are literally 10 seconds left before the close. There we go, the first one has been closed in profits. There was nothing complicated, and let's carry on the trading session. Here, let's open a short position, following the direction of the trend. Well, let me show you something. The breakdown has happened here, then the pullback took place, then we see another breakdown, and then another pullback. And in the current situation, the breakdown has happened and also a small pullback, after which we are expecting to see the downward movements. As simple as that, guys. Even considering not the best position entry level, the price is holding below this level, and I like it. There are 8 seconds left before the closing, and let's just watch the price movement. And as you can see, the pullback is over, the price is moving up downwards, and there we go. Another position has been closed in profit. There are $626 on the balance. And let's continue the next currency pair. Well, I see a more downward dynamics here. And let's also open a short here. I think this is not gonna be a mistake. I'll point out the workspace. We see the price broke through the channel down to here. Then a teeny pullback, after which the downward dynamics should continue gain movement. If we look at the chart, there was a long downtrend, and it is very probable that after this pullback the price will go downwards again. And now a small accumulation zone has been formed here, and I think we played this out correctly, and our position is gonna end it up in profits. Another position has been closed in profits. We have got more than $1,000 on the balance. Let's carry on the trading session. Well, let's continue, guys. We see the pullback is happening again. And it seems like we should open a short position here in the direction of the trend. I don't think what we made mistake. So have a look, guys. Price went up. The pullback did happen again. I was expecting the price to go lower in order to update its local low, but we don't see this happening. But still, I really on my strategy anyway. And I think this whole thing is our pullback, and the price will eventually go down right from this level. And this is exactly what just happened, guys. The price has gone down, and we got amazing position entry level, and actually we have nothing to worry about. Another position is in the profits. And my strategy hasn't let me down. Our position is absolutely justified, and we already got $2,000 on the balance. This is a super, and let's carry on the trading session. And we are gonna open two long positions here. I wanna point out the workspace, price range. This is super simple, guys. After hitting the local high, the price started going down and went into the correction. And this way, we see the touch of the low boundary of the channel. And despite the consistency of the movement, I think the price should move upwards now. So let's see and wait. Five seconds left before the closing. Another position ended up in profits. We got almost $4,000 on the balance. And let's find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing. Well, let's have a look, guys. Nice payout rate. however the volatility is kind of low. Check out this little dump, and we open 3 long position here in the direction of the trend. We see the price broke through the channel here, then hit the level, then there was a good correction, the price touched the middle line. All this indicates the price should move upwards. Also, we see this upward dynamics and the price should move upwards. That's why we open the long position in the direction of the trend. So we have played out the correction perfectly, and let's watch, guys. So one position was closed in profits, other 2 at loss. But it was okay, guys. Let's carry on the trading session. Sometimes this happens, and I told you that is the beginning. And let's find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing, and we open 2 short position here right away. Basically, everything is super clear. If we look back here, there were 2 great pumps, then a small accumulation zone was been formed here, after which the price went into correction, and it's very likely that the price is gonna reach this level in the long term. That's why we open our short position in the direction of the trend. And let's have a look. Actually, there was a small pullback, which tell us that we're gonna see the continuation of the downtrend. There are several seconds left before the closing, and there we go. We are in the profits, and there are $4,000 on the balance. We are gonna continue the trading session. Let's open our final $4,000 position, guys, and we are gonna look for the most profitable payout rate. And let's open 4 long position here. Let's have a look. The sideways trend is dominating here. Updating of the local low did happen, after which the price should move upwards up to the resistance zone, because the trend is upwards, and opening with the trend gives us some credit here. That's why we did it. That's why we opened a long position. There are around 20 seconds left before the closing, and let's simply watch the price movement. I think I've clarified everything. Our position is in a profit, guys, exactly as I predicted. And let's open $5,000 or $7,000 position in order to consolidate our profit. And let's find another currency pair. So, guys, well, and see nice payout rate, and in theory it could be potential price recovery. And let's open long position for all the money. I'm sure the price should continue going up because there was a nice correction at this zone, after which the price should move upwards and probably update its maximum. Well, the place is holding below so far, but the breakout will definitely happen at the end. So there was nothing complicated about this position entry. And basically we see the upper dynamics and the breakout is imminent, guys. And let's wait for the outcome. Good job, guys. Brilliant technical, brilliant analysis. Our position are in profits, and like I said, the breakout has symmetry happened. We got $14,000 on the balance, guys. Good job, and let's call it a day. I'm happy with this result, so we can finish the trading session. Let's move on to the withdrawal. I'm gonna withdraw $14,000 to my Bitcoin wallet. That's it, guys. Our transaction is being processed. I'll touch the screen. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you got the principle and you'll try my strategy in your own trading. Good luck. Bye bye.